In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your country setting on Amazon in 2025. This process is essential if you've moved to a new location or want to ensure your shopping details align correctly with your current location. Here's how to go about it. First, open your preferred web browser and type in amazon.com in the address bar, or simply click the link in the description below. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. This will direct you to the sign in page. Now enter your email address and click continue. Type in your password when prompted and press sign in. It's important to ensure that you're using the correct Amazon account, especially if you have multiple accounts. Once you've successfully signed in, hover over account and lists at the top right section of the page. Click on account from the drop down menu that appears. You will be redirected to your account page comprising various options related to your Amazon account management. Next, look for the digital content and devices section. It might appear as a menu button or a separate category card on your account page. Go ahead and click on devices. This will take you to a new page where you can manage your content and devices associated with your account. On the Manage Your Content and Devices page, find the Preferences tab and click on it. This tab allows you to adjust various settings for your digital content and devices. Within the Preferences section, locate the option that says Change Your Country/Region. This is the critical step where you can modify the region settings for your account. Click on Change, which should open up a new page for entering your updated details. Now provide your new address and ensure you choose the correct country from the drop-down list. It's crucial to accurately update this information to avoid any discrepancies with your orders or content availability. After filling in all the necessary information, click on Update to save your changes. It's wise to double check that all the details are correct before proceeding to this final step. And there you have it, you have successfully changed your country settings on Amazon. This simple yet effective process ensures your account settings are up to date, granting you access to region-specific content and avoiding potential shipping issues. Remember, these changes might take a little time to reflect, so give it a short while if you don't see immediate updates. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.